GreatestTradingTools.com presents an S&P reversal forecast for the day of April 24th, 2009. Signals reflect the following. They're based on the S&P E-mini futures contract front month. Times are in Eastern Standard Time or New York time. Signals are always provided in advance, but other signals may not be available until a later time and therefore not shown here. CFTC disclaimer: if you risk it, you can lose it. All information is provided for educational purposes only, and all rights are reserved. You can also visit us at GreatestTradingTools.com to learn how we determine our signals and to also get a free report. The S&P E-mini on the daily, we're expecting a reversal today, so we're expecting the market to have a reaction for the next few days, and it looks like it's going to be lower because we are currently moving up, and so that should be a high and then down, unless today does something unusual, which is not expected. So we're expecting a decline following this day. But on the intraday basis, this is our focus that we're looking at. We have a reversal between 1220 to 1230 and from 1430 to 1530. And these reversals are expected to be decent reversals. I have reason to believe there'll be reversal early in the morning, but the signal that I'm seeing so far is weak, and I was waiting for a better signal to arrive available for the data to give me a better signal. So this morning, be cautious with any trading because likely there will be a reversal first thing in the morning within the first hour. The 10-minute, we have a number of reversals due. We have from 940 to 950, from 1010 to 1020, one right after it at 1020 to 1030. We have a reversal at 1110 to 1120, from 1220 to 1230, and from 1330 to 1340, and 1410 to 1420, 1510 to 1520, and 1540 to 1550. And I believe that was it. And so on the report, this is what we have. Daily reversal due today. As you can see here, the main hourly reversals that you want to watch are 1130 to 1230 and from 1430 to 1530. Although, as I mentioned, we'll watch out for this morning because we may get something this morning. I was waiting for more data to provide that information that we should see on the open. And then here's the times: 940 to 950, 1010 to 1020, 1020 to 1030. So these two are close together, right next to each other. The hourly reversals, we have two reversals within the first hour: 1110 to 1120, or 1220 to 1230. So we're looking for these two to be within hourly reversals and stronger reversals. 1330 to 1340, 1410 to 1420. And then another next hourly reversal, we have this one in line, 1510 to 1520, and then we have one other additional reversal showing 1540 to 1550. Of course, there will be other 10-minute reversals that appear as the data develops that we'll know in advance, but we won't be able to show in a report here. And that basically covers the report. Now, as far as the activity, we are expecting the market to try to make a higher move here, but it's to stall out sometime today and start to do decline off of that. It is close to a target area, but we may get a similar high as we did way back here on earlier in the week, and so it may make it up to that far and start to have issues. We're looking at the market changing to a consolidating to a bearish situation. So we're going to have some tough moves to the upside. And we should still get, we're looking for a potential lunge this morning to the upside, but be cautious with it because it's going to be a tough situation if you try to jump in, if you jump in too late. And that basically covers the review for today, and hope you do well in your trading. GreatestTradingTools.com presents an S&P reversal forecast for the day of April 24th, 2009. Signals reflect the following. They're based on the S&P E-mini futures contract front month. Times are in Eastern Standard Time or New New York time, signals are always provided in advance, but other signals may not be available until a later time and therefore not shown here. CFTC disclaimer: if you risk it, you could lose it. All information is provided for educational purposes only, and all rights are reserved. You can also visit us at greatesttradingtools.com to learn how we determine our signals and to also get a free report.